Today's date is June 30th, 2026, and just another exciting day here at the welding shop. And we're going to remove this shelter for one of the tables we sold. That's going down the street here in we're going to deliver that down the street.
We got a stand over here to make up for the 6 sheets of... right in the middle there. Stand on the base plate, hang on with both hands.
There's our counterbalance in the green shirt.
Ready? Clearance? I got clearance from Clarence.
We got a red flag.
So red flag warning. I call Ruben.
Be careful right there. Wow. Just get a rope and put it on there.
Around the shopping cart? Oh, you want to take delivery? Okay, I got it. Around about 4 inches in the air and I'm coming away.
So this is a structure that where we're taking it is to a landscape company, and they're rebuilding powered tractor stuff.
What if traffic is really bad?
So where we're headed, I don't know if you can see it in the camera here, but there's a flag down there, and just before that a bunch of trees. That's the landscape company, and that's where this is headed. Okay, let's try this again. This is the shed that our shop built, which is, you know, half a block down from Earth Landscaping. Anyway, this is the table. That's what they came to us with first, and then they go, well, you guys did a really good job. Yeah, we even made it so they could bend the things. This is part of the table. So so anyway, we had this out back, and Pete designed all of this, got a dolly or a carriage for the hoist, and here it is. So really happy with the way that turned out. No supports in there. This would be really, really durable. So that's the end of this video. Today's date is July 2nd, 2026, and the purpose of this video is to bring closure on all the work that I've been doing to get this mother-in-law house together. So So anyway, this is a preliminary thing. The designer's going to change all of that, but it's clean. We added these plugs right here, and there's some other circuits I put in outside. I added a plug there in the kitchen. That's a night light. It's already on. So what I did is I put a fluorescent light in here and moved the microwave there, put a plug right over here and another one here. This is going to have a shelf or some space right here for spices and all that, I guess. And then I still have remaining, I got to make a shelf so I can put the dishes up here above the stove and the counter. Just a single one. Then I'll be able to put some pot holders right there for the, see, the only thing that I use is just one of these frying pans. I eat out of the frying pan, so I don't have any dishes. But this is all done. Moved the TV into the bedroom. This is actually going to be a TV room. There's an upstairs which is going to become the bedroom, and this is going to be the entertainment room. And then out here is where the split unit's all done. It's running. Well, not right now, I just turned it off, but that is this part right here. So I added this light switch right here and that plug. Then I put a plug in the closet here, put this shelf in here so I can use my laptop and my HDMI for using it. I only use YouTube and Grok. So anyway, I got this kind of arranged where you don't have to be in the bed to watch the TV. There's a chair there now and a light. We've had a hard time finding a place where we could read. So if people even read anymore, but it's all clean and ready to go. So that's the end of closure on what I've been doing basically for the last 7 months. But anyway, that's closed, and I'll be back.